Well, great. Well, John, I'd love to make that transition here in the show where we ask every guest the same 4 questions before you go. So you've been a
Okay.
successful person in your career in developing and growing your business. So we'd love to hear from you about the misses makes a multiplier. So we start first with a miss. And is there a miss or two along the way and something you learned from it?
There was at least one miss. I mean, if I really had to think about it, there was probably at least one. Uh, yeah, no, I actually think so. I also am a part owner in a gym, and I had this miss in both things. It's really, it's really important to identify a team that is on the same page with you and pushing and driving the business forward, and those have become poisons. Because a poisonous team member is way more detrimental than just to that person. It spreads like a cancer. And so some of my misses were I didn't want to believe it. I've since been told and taught and believe that people are trying to tell you who they are. It's our job as the owner to listen instead of to convince ourselves, no, they'll get out of it. It's a funk. They wouldn't be malicious. They would never do that behind my back, those types of things. No, I mean, if that's who they're telling you who they are, that's who they are. And so my miss was I tried to save some of those people instead of just having the direct conversation as soon as I knew that there was a problem and then having a successful exit with them out of the company. We dragged it on for too long, and both companies took some financial blips because of it. So yeah, if you know a team member's bad, you got to get rid of them.